Hello. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the process for you to follow who's trying to start a business in high school, any business in high school. The purpose of this video is not to solve every possible problem that you might have. It's not to try and optimize an already established business. Instead, it's to give you the process from somebody who is at level zero to get started today and actually get on the track of starting a business. Okay? I was in your position myself. I started my business in middle school and I was clueless of what I was actually going to do. I was willing to take action, but I did not know what action to take. And for that reason, I have developed a program, an original program, to help students and young adults just like yourself start a business in high school. Okay? Like I said, this video is going to be touching on the fundamental parts of starting a business. Okay? This video is going to act for you as a teaser for what I can help you in my program. Okay? Now, what is going to happen if you do not follow these strategies? This video is set up as a time saver for you. When I started out, and many of you guys are in this exact situation, we spend the wrong attention on the wrong things. Okay? So we're wasting a lot of time on tiny things that do not move the needle forward. We don't know that. We think everything's super important in the moment, and that's where I step in. I'm going to be able to teach you the exact individualized process for your service and your location to only spend the time on things that move your needle forward towards $10,000 a month. Okay? For those of you that don't know me, my name is Isaac Burek, and I've made it my mission to help young adults start a business in the service industry. Let's get started. First, the first question that you need to get straight in whether you're going to start any sort of a business is why? What's your reason? Why do you want to start a business? Is it because you want to be self-sufficient? Is it because you want the satisfaction of starting something from scratch and helping the market? Do you want to help people? Or is it for social media? I hope that you can see that social media is the wrong reason. For me, and I didn't put this on the list, I wanted to make money when I started. That was all that I cared about when I started out. Money, 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 okay? Later on, I realized how much I enjoyed and the satisfaction of helping people and fulfilling a need in the market. I didn't know that at first, and that's okay, but you have to have a reason when you're starting out why you actually want to start a business. Not for the fun of it, not because you see influencers online bragging about their figures, okay? You have to have an individualized reason that you care about for starting a business. Now that you know that in fact you want to start a business and why you want to start a business, it's time to figure out what service and what product you are going to be offering in the marketplace. When I started out, I didn't have a plug and play service that I could start selling. Okay, I didn't really have the skills even for that type of a product. So when you start out, number one, you want to analyze the needs of your area. This may be because of our weather, because of our location, pressure washing is a huge need. I'll be touching that later. But like I said, you may not have the skills of pressure washing. You may not have the capital to be able to start and purchase thousands of dollars worth of pressure washing equipment. Instead, but to start out, you realize that's what my goal is. I want to start a pressure washing business. That's an evident need in the marketplace. And also, when starting out, for you to, not only do you not have the capital, not only do you not have the skills, but also you are not present in the market. You do not hold a presence in the market. There's too much competition. So for that reason, we analyze your current skills, and our first product is going to be a sub-product for the end goal. You're going to fully understand this when it comes to strategy. Marketing. Even though we are selling a sub-product of our pressure washing business, we are still marketing with the end goal in mind. An example of this is, like I said, you cannot start the pressure washing business right away. Instead, you look at people need their gutters cleaned. This is perfect. It does not require a large initial capital investment, and you have the skills to clean gutters. So even better is the client, the customer that needs gutter cleaning is a very good prospect for pressure washing, okay? They're in the same industry, and you're going to specialize in gutter cleaning. This is going to start giving you market presence when you eventually build up and start competing with the high competitors in your niche, okay? This is what's going to allow you to get started quickly and eventually scale your business. So marketing. We are marketing with this end goal in mind. Our goal in marketing for starting out is not only to land the gutter cleaning jobs. Our goal is to find the gutter cleaning jobs, but for clients that eventually can lead us to pressure washing. The gutter cleaning, and I hope you can understand this, the gutter cleaning is just a segue into your end goal, the pressure washing. So for marketing, all of your thoughts need to be, how do I find pressure washing jobs? Okay? Now this gets complicated. I'm going to repeat it. You are not actually selling pressure washing jobs. You're selling gutter cleaning. But it's the process of landing a small job now to build trust and build your skills to eventually building a loyal client that you can sell the pressure washing job. Can you see how this process can build clients for the long term? Clients that you profit off of and that you can help for a long time to come. Selling. Your initial selling is not going to be pressure washing. That's where it varies from marketing. Your initial selling is going to be for gutter cleaning, and you're going to be selling you. Okay? Let's be honest. Gutter cleaning, when you start out, it's going to be simple service, and you are taking time off away from your clients. That's how you're helping them. So your real sales strategy is going to be selling you. What I mean by this is how you carry yourself, how you analyze the job, how observant you are about the problems, how you can eventually fill their wants and their needs. I've made other videos about analyzing wants versus needs that I suggest you watch after this video. And now, once you've sold the gutter cleaning jobs by selling and marketing yourself, now is the time to start investing in your business. Now is the time to start investing in some of the tools that you need for gutter cleaning that eventually will help with pressure washing, okay? We're not using a completely different business to fund your end goal. Instead, we are doing a sub-product that will eventually lead us to pressure washing. This strategy works so well because everything is in line with each other. Your marketing is in line with your end goal. Your selling is in line with your end goal. And your investment of tools is in line with your end goal. The reason why you want to invest now is because in this road, in this path, you may change your mind a little bit. You may analyze, no, I need to offer a different end service. If you would have invested in pressure washing back here, you may have made a mistake, okay? You want to invest in your business when you know that there's a need for it and that you can sell jobs for that as soon as you buy the equipment, okay? The best scenario is you have 20, 30 gutter cleaning clients, and you know that you brought it up to every single one, and you know that you could have 5 pressure washing jobs like that. That's the best scenario. That's what your goal is. So when I started this video, I brought it to your attention that this is a teaser video to see how I can help you in your business. I'm teaching strategies just like this, but personalized to your exact situation. I'm going to personalize your product to your location and your specific sales strategy for that product. Book a call with me down in the description, a free one-to-one consultation with me. This has been Isaac Bjork with 2B Green Consulting. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.